Today I'll be showing you how I made these crushed glass candle holders. Some clear candle holders from Dollar Tree, and I decided to decorate them a little bit. So I used Mod Podge, about 2 coats, and then I added some crushed glass that I got from Michael's. If you notice, I have the top of a shoebox underneath my candle holder so that as I pour the glass, I can use whatever is remaining. I'm gonna go ahead and put more Mod Podge at the top of my candle holder so I can have the same look on the top and the bottom of my candle holder. In the next step, I want to kind of decorate my candlestick by using some gems that I got from eFavorMart online. So I'm basically just pressing them down with the hot glue, and any design that looks nice, you can change it up. I use the back and the front of my gems to make it look a little bit more different so that it's sparkled in some places and it's clear in other places, but you can play around with that. And I'm so happy with the outcome that it gives my flower arrangements here. Let me know in the comments what you think. I am really looking forward to completing the staging of this home so that I can show you more. And please, if you want, leave me a comment and let me know what other ideas you might want me to show you for staging a home. Maybe there's a project you're working on and that I'm working on myself or will be working on in the future, so we can kind of come up with some ideas together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.